Good morning, professor and classmate. Today I will do a tutorial about how to use the WordFast tool anywhere. The first thing we have to take is an account. We have to register account on the page of application. After we have already registered access to the page by putting our email and password. This is the email, this is the password. Once we enter the password, we confirm that we are not around. And click in login. When the page is open, we look for WordFast anywhere, click in settings, and click in configure automatic translate, click in custom. Source language is the language that the document is, and target language is the language that we have to translate. Click in OK and close this page. And then click in Files, click in Loud, click in to select the file, look for the file and click in Open. And then again click in Load and Open. And now the document is in the page. To start to translate the text, we will click in Start and Next. In each paragraph start to translate. And if you want to delete the document, we will click in File and Delete. In the document is delete. If you want to save the document, we will click in Save, and here you can select the kind of document that you want to save. Click in OK, OK again, OK, and the browser start to download the document. We will click in Open, and here is the document translated, and click to open. and finish the process. That's it. Thank you.